Alright, time for another update on Tropical Storm Harvey.
Advisory is in effect for Lee, Travis, and Williamson counties for winds of 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to 40 miles per hour in stronger rain events through early this afternoon. A flash flood watch is in effect through Wednesday evening for counties along and east of a line from Georgetown to Comfort to Jordanton. There is a low risk of brief tornadoes along and east of Highway 77 through this evening. And now the extended outlook for the period Monday through Saturday. A flash flood watch is in effect through Wednesday evening for counties along and east of a line from Georgetown to Comfort to Jordanton. Life-threatening and catastrophic river and flash flooding is expected for portions of south-central Texas, specifically for areas along and east of the Interstate 35 and Interstate 37 corridors. Additional rainfall amounts through Wednesday of 10 to 15 inches are expected east of Interstate 35 and Interstate 37 with isolated totals in excess of 20 inches possible. Devastating river flooding lasting throughout this week is likely east of Interstate 35 and Interstate 37 in the Colorado and Guadalupe River basins. Average rainfall amounts of 5.10 inches with isolated higher amounts through Wednesday are expected in the Austin metro. Lower rainfall amounts of 3 to 6 inches with isolated higher amounts are expected through Wednesday in the San Antonio metro. Rainfall amounts should decrease further west of the Interstate 35 and Interstate 37 corridors. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will be encouraged over the next several days as Harvey evolves. Wind advisory for the following counties: Lee, Travis, and Williamson. Wind advisory now in effect until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time this afternoon. Timing through 4 p.m. Winds, sustained winds of 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts to 40 miles per hour. Impacts, driving high-profile vehicles will be difficult through the day. Large tree limbs could fall and cause damage. A wind advisory means that winds of 26 to 39 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. This is NOAA Weather Radio, Station WXK-27 in Austin, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.400 MHz, originating from the Austin San Antonio National Weather Service Forecast Office. The flash flood watch continues for a portion of south-central Texas, including the following areas: Atascosa, Bastrop, Bear, Blanco, Caldwell, Comau, DeWitt, Fayette, Gonzales, Guadalupe, Hayes, Carnes, Kendall, Lavaca, Lee, Travis, Williamson, and Wilson. Through Wednesday evening, copious amounts of rain are expected to continue late weekend and into midweek as Tropical Storm Harvey moves around South Texas. Additional rainfall totals in the watch area today through the middle of next week will range from 10 to 20 inches east of Interstate 35 and Interstate 37. Significant flash and river flooding is possible. Devastating mainstem river flooding is possible east of Interstate 35. Flooding could be life-threatening and catastrophic. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. The coastal waters forecast for Baffin Bay to Port Aransas out 20 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect through Tuesday morning. Today, southwest wind 20 to 25 knots decreasing to 15 to 20 knots in the afternoon. Seas 5 to 7 feet with occasional seas up to 9 feet subsiding to 3 to 5 feet with occasional seas up to 6 feet in the afternoon. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Tonight, southwest wind around 20 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet with occasional seas up to 6 feet. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Monday, west wind around 20 knots becoming northwest 20 to 25 knots in the afternoon. Seas 3 to 5 feet with occasional seas up to 6 feet. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Monday. Sunday night, northwest wind 20 to 25 knots decreasing to 15 to 20 knots after midnight. Seas 3 to 5 feet with occasional seas up to 6 feet. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Tuesday, northwest wind 20 to 25 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. Showers likely. Tuesday night, northwest wind 20 to 25 knots becoming west 15 to 20 knots after midnight. Seas 3 to 5 feet with occasional seas up to 6 feet. A chance of showers. Wednesday, southwest wind 15 to 20 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Wednesday night, south wind 15 to 20 knots decreasing to 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Seas 4 to 6 feet with occasional seas up to 8 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Thursday, south wind at 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 5 feet with occasional seas up to 6 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. Thursday night, south wind at 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 4 feet with occasional seas up to 5 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms. The current time is 10:24 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The flash flood warning remains in effect until 11:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Caldwell, Bastrop, Lee, and Fayette counties. At 6:18 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated light to moderate rains across the warned area. Flash flooding and river flooding is already occurring due to heavy rains up to 19 inches. Heavy rains will redevelop and will aggravate the flooding this morning, especially across Bastrop and Caldwell counties where there have been numerous water rescues and across the area with numerous roads closed. Travel is discouraged. Some locations that will experience flooding include Lockhart, Elgin, Bastrop, Luling, Giddings, LaGrange, Smithville, Schulenburg, Flatonia, Lexington, Martindale, Mustang Ridge, Niederwald, Fayetteville, Round Top, Fedor, Fentress, Camp Swift, Cedar Creek, and Rosanke. Additional rainfall amounts of 3 to 8 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. The Austin NOAA Weather Radio Roundup at 10 a.m. at Austin.
Alright, that's it for now, that's all.